Hello and welcome to CBS Institute. Welcome to Current Affairs Quiz dated 3rd March 2021. Let's get started with the first question. Who among the following has been appointed as the flag officer commanding in chief of the Eastern Naval Command? See, Indian Navy is responsible for protecting the coastline. See, headquarters of Indian Navy, integrated headquarters of Indian Navy are located in New Delhi. For better protection, this has been divided into three parts. See, one part is called command. So there are three commands in under Indian Navy. One is Western Command. This is headquartered at Mumbai. Another is Southern Command. So this is headquartered at Kochi, Kerala. And next command is Eastern Command. This is headquartered at Vishakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. See, each command is headed by the chief of each command is called Flag Officer Commanding in Chief. So each command is headed by Flag Officer Commanding in Chief. So here question is, who among the following has been appointed Flag Officer Commanding in Chief of the Eastern Naval Command? Eastern Naval Command is this one. Okay, so this is headquartered at Vishakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. See, recently Ajendra Bahadur Singh has been appointed as the chief of Indian Navy's Eastern Naval Command, which is headquartered at Vishakhapatnam. So here answer is Ajendra Bahadur Singh. So option D is the correct answer. Next question. Recently Babatran 2 has come into news. What is it? What is Babatran 2 is the question. Is it a satellite? Is it a vaccine for COVID-19? Or is it a digital cobalt therapy mission? Or is it a missile? Or is it a star? See, Babatran 2 is actually a digital cobalt therapy mission. The mission is used for cancer treatment. See, recently India has donated this mission to the country Madagascar. Okay, so recently the Madagascar president Andry Rajoelina has inaugurated this mission. Okay, in the country Madagascar. Actually, as a part of health cooperation, India has donated this mission, digital cobalt therapy mission, to the country Madagascar. So recently it was inaugurated by the president of the country Madagascar. So this has come into news. So Babatran 2 is the digital cobalt therapy mission. Actually, it was developed by Baba Atomic Research Center, that is BARC. So Babatran 2 is cobalt therapy mission. Option C is the correct answer. Next question. For how many months the tenure of CBDT chairman has been extended recently? See, CBDT stands for Central Board of Direct Taxes. So this is responsible for collecting direct taxes. That is Central Board of Direct Taxes. See, CBDT is headed by chairman. The current chairman of CBDT is Pramod Chandra Modi. Okay, Pramod Chandra Modi. So he has been the chairman of CBDT. So recently what the government did was, the central government of India has extended the term of CBDT chairman Pramod Chandra Modi by 3 months. So here actually it is effective from 1st March to 31st May. 1st March to 31st May. So answer A is the correct answer, by 3 months. Next question. Which country has launched a satellite called Arctic, Arctic M, recently to monitor the climate change in the Arctic region? See, recently, the country Russia has launched this satellite in order to monitor the Arctic region, whether there is any change in climate. In order to monitor this region, the country Russia has launched one satellite that is called Arctic M. Arctic M. So that is Arctica M actually. Okay. So this was launched in Soyuz 2 1B. This is the name of the rocket in which this satellite was launched. So Arctica M was launched by the country Russia. Okay. So another satellite Arctica, okay, with the same name Arctica 2B will be launched in the year 2023 by the same country in order to monitor the Arctic region. So here option B is the correct answer, that is Russia. Next question. Nicolas Sarkozy was handed over 3 years of jail term for involving in corruption. He was the former president of which of the following countries? See, recently, court in the country France, okay, has awarded 3 years jail term to Nicolas Sarkozy, okay, for involving in corruption. So here he was actually the former president of the country France. So here answer is option D is the correct answer. Okay. Next question. NABARD headquarters are located in which of the following cities? See, NABARD stands for National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development. In earlier videos also it was discussed. So National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development. Actually, it was established on July 12th, 1982 on the recommendations of B. Shivaraman Committee. B. Shivaraman Committee. This is also important. B. Shivaraman Committee recommended the establishment of National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development. So on the recommendations, it was established on July 12th, 1982. Okay. So this is actually headquartered at Mumbai, that is Maharashtra. And Govind Rajulu Chintala, he is the current chairman of National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development. So here question is NABARD headquarters are located in Mumbai. Option B is the correct answer.